Hi Deepak. Good evening.
Hi, good evening.
We'll wait for 2 more minutes and we'll start. So meanwhile, Deepak, did you get a chance to work on the yesterday assignment? Okay, no problem. No problem. Let's start our session. Okay, Suresh Jain. Hi Suresh.
Hey, hi, Sarup.
Hi, hi,
It's
hi.
Ravi, na? I can call Sarup.
Come again.
Yeah, it is Sarup or Ravi?
Oh, my name is Ravi Prasad. You can call me Ravi.
Okay, fine.
Suresh, did you get a chance to work on yesterday assignment?
Yeah, I get a chance to work on few things.
Okay.
Okay.
Did you face any issues? No, right?
Yeah, no, that's one thing. Okay, this is update statement. Okay, I agree. I have created a table with employee name, employee ID, employee hiring date with the default date. Okay, and
Okay.
without giving it will be get date could be the current thing. Okay. And if I
Okay.
want to update to some other date, okay, and
Okay.
how do I update, okay? And that is one question. And another question, okay, if it is not null date, okay, null, okay, NULL, okay, null and empty space are same. Or if you want to retrieve the null, how do I retrieve? Is null, I can use it. But how do you distinguish between null and a blank space?
Okay. Okay. Got it. Yeah. See, so there is no backspace concept here. Okay. See, is null is clearly says that, but maybe like what I can say, the string option for a string column, we have an option. Now I will teach you. There is a yesterday I left out the like right when I'm teaching. I left like I told yesterday, and I will I will take the like in tomorrow class. I said right. So the space I can go it with the like we can get it, but null is a value. We will code as in that is a value. Okay. So using is null only we can get it, but we can update some value where we have an is null. Is it clear? Hello.
Mute, okay. See, there is a update higher date, a single quote, a space between, again ending with single quote. Okay, it will be recorded as empty space. No?
Date. You want me to let me
Yes.
share my screen? Well,
Okay.
we'll go ahead with well, yeah, we'll go ahead with the practical things, and it will be get it resolved. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Let's. Okay. You want. Okay. Two. So now, okay. insert into, or else let me update in the, yeah, you tell me, like we have an employee table, hire date, like you want me to update any date, Suresh?
No, first, how do I see? Okay, update to null. Okay, okay, so I'll tell you command update. Okay, emp table where column is equal to update. Okay, table name. Okay,
Mhm.
okay,
Can
emp.
you can you share it your query in the chats? We'll see.
Okay. Table okay. Table set. Okay.
Have you ping?
Yeah. Okay.
Where condition you missed it? To update,
Yeah.
it will take. Okay. Okay, you updated to null.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
Now
the two things.
you want.
Okay. When you insert, okay, in the system takes is null. When you give in that way and both are same, na?
No, this is a string character null. When we pass it in within the double quote null, this is a string character.
Mm-hmm.
See, normal we will called as a null, right? So this is not a data type. Don't confuse. Okay. If you passing as an within the single quote, this is considered as a string. Okay, string data type,
Mm-hmm.
okay, varchar data type.
Okay, how
But
the query will distinguish between which is null and default null?
which is null and which is default null. So query is null, we can insert using is null, we can find out the null value rows. Okay, and
Mm.
coming to the character null, we have to use a like, or else where when your name employee name equal to string character, you have to assign string character as null. Is it clear? So is null is a, yeah, if you pass it in single quote, this is a character data type, varchar data type, but this is null is not a data type. Okay, is it clear?
Yeah. But
Okay, so now let's and see. Yesterday I posted a question, right? Those are we can complete based on our previous questions itself, previous classes itself. There's no required. See, this is using between. Shall I do now? Okay. See what I'm saying. Retrieve all the employees whose salary is between 1,000 to 3,000. Let me do
between it.
now. Yeah, between. So I have a salary here 1,000 to 3,000. Simple. And we need to very sure here this question is saying retrieve the all the employees. Okay. E name from EMP where sal between 1,000 and 3,000. So these are all the employees having a salary between 1,000 and 3,000. Is it clear? Again, it may same question. Retrieve the employee name and his department. Okay. Department number. Whose salary is between 100 and just I mentioned instead of 1,000 and 3,000. See? So we can add extra column based on the questions. Okay. Now I want along with the department, what I want extra, e-name, department, employee ID as well. Okay. This is my column name. No. What is the EMP number? Okay, along with EMP number, employee number, I want and condition. Now let's move the second query. List the name and jobs title of employee who are either. So then you guys can tell me what is the SQL we can use here for second second question. Suresh, any idea? Did you try this?
Yeah. In you can give it in manager, clerk, and analyst.
Good. Any other way we can do it? Any idea?
And we can use where job title like no, we can use or
Sorry?
or condition we can give it.
Exactly. Yeah. That is I want. Yeah, exactly. Then we are good. Yeah. We can use either. See, this is what we want. Okay. So no need to stick on for only one solution for any problem. Okay. We need to think different. So this is simple question. So as you said initially, we can achieve using an in we can pass all these three as an job, or else we can use R. Okay. Okay, let me do that. Select star from EMP where job in okay, this is the one way. Okay, another way, select star from EMP where job equal to or job equal to clerk or job equal to analyst. Right, both are same. If you observe, both the queries return the same output. Let's move on to the next question. Find all the employee who do not receive the commissions. Did you try this? Suresh?
It's okay, where employees who do not receive commission. Okay, can you go to the query board?
Okay.
Okay, is null?
Yeah, exactly. So 0 or else we can consider, but we can go ahead with is null. Okay, simple. Select star from EMP where commission is null or even commission equal to 0. That is also right. So
Yeah.
I can get it. If you go ahead, if you're not giving a commission equal to 0, then we are missing one record. Am I correct?
Yes.
We will miss one record. Very equal because null is only checking for the null. So I wanted to commission equal to 0. We are considering as an you don't have any commission for that employee. So we can give it or commission also 0. Okay. Next, find the employee who retrieves the commission. Just it is an opposite. What I'm saying?
Is not.
I want the employee who is getting commission. Then commission is simple, not
Not.
null.
Not.
So I will get all these employee having a commission. Okay. Next, display the employee who are not in the department 10 or 20.
Not in.
Exactly. This is one. Yeah. Your answer is correct. So when we know which one you use, then we can frame the query. So you got the answer, you know the answer. That's why I won't returning the query. What about sixth one?
The department equal to 20 or department equal to 30 or.
Okay. And I want second condition, have a salary between 10,000 and
and
3,000.
and having salary between 100 and 3,000.
So two conditions I have to use. My first condition should be the department number should be 10 or 20 and the salary should be 1,000 or 3,000. So simple. Select star from EMP where
Department in 20 and
DPT.
30.
Good. Go ahead. Yeah,
20
this is
and
I
30.
want.
Okay.
And
And
okay, super. Yeah, come again.
okay. Can you go to the question?
Thinking.
Just and okay.
Yeah.
And okay. Salary between sal between 1,000 and 3,000.
Super. This is you understand the concept. Even I'm very happy now. So this is one. So the questions which are I pinged that should be related to our previous classes. Once we are you are very clear about the things, so we can frame it. There is no odd, right? That's why I practice is required. So as I told earlier, so today I will continue like. Okay, let me zoom it. Let's go like. Okay, so like we will use the wildcard symbol here. Okay, those are one is underscore. Okay, and second one is percentage symbol. Okay, what is mean by this? So this says that single character. Okay, single character, and that should be anything. Okay, coming to this, it says that coming to percentage, it says that 0 to n cat, that should be anything. Is it clear? So coming to the like, we will use the wildcard here. Those two wildcard we will use. One is an underscore. So underscore, what it means? Single character, that should be any character. And coming to the percentage, zero character to n character. N means any number. Okay, n character, that should be anything. Is it clear? So
Yeah.
once we are good with the wildcard, then we can understand the like. Let's get into a practical now. Okay. See, I have, let me display, select the name from employee. Okay. Now using wildcard, what are the actions or what are the data we can retrieve? Okay. Now first I will ask the question here. Okay. Then let's see. Once we are good with, then I will get the answer from you guys. Okay. Retrieve the employee name whose name begin with the K. Suresh?
Yeah.
We can
Yeah,
try.
Ravi. Yeah, K.
Retrieve
Okay.
yeah, I will go. Retrieve the, see here. Retrieve the employee of the name Okay, let was multiple name. Yeah, okay. Retrieve the employee of the name whose name begin with the S character.
Yeah, yes character.
Yeah, yes character.
Okay, select star from employee. Their
Let's
name
have
like
super. Hmm? Yeah, now here is the,
name.
if you
Okay,
understand, you will
like
get the answer.
okay. J, okay, single quote, J percentage.
No. I see, listen. The name begin with the S character.
Yes, correct. Okay. Yes
Yeah.
and percentage.
Super. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah, that's it. Why it is written? It is a what happened now? So Scott and Smith, those employee names are begin with the S character. Okay.
Hmm.
Now let me go. Okay. I want now you tell me. I will return the query. Now I want answer from you. Okay. Reverse order. Employee B E name like okay. Okay, let it be. Oh, yeah. You tell me.
First letter might be anything and second letter should be O.
So my
Hmm.
return it retrieve the employee names whose second character is O, right?
Hmm.
Okay. Now beginning with we did. What about end with? So that okay. So we done right. So any character. Now I did a second character. When I wanted to go fourth character. Okay. Now I retrieve the employee name. Okay. Where name like want to see 3. Okay. 4. Selected. 1 minute. It was fixed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did I enter it correctly? Let me display. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Extra community MP.
You can try
Name.
on job.
Sorry,
You can try on job things.
job you want, right? Instead
Yeah.
of okay. Yeah, you tell me. Like
Job like okay. If we want to retrieve some salesman, okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 spaces. And
okay.
yes, okay, dash underscore 3 5 times and yes star to retrieve the yes percentage.
3, 4, 5. Okay. So we did right. So
Hmm.
sales is we given absent and end with the man,
Hmm.
right? So now you
Yes.
got the use a like operator. Fine, right? We did theory and as well as practical. Let's move on to our
Yes.
slide. Yeah, let's move on to our slide. So I covered the topic, the like. Okay. So wildcards we have the underscore and percentage symbol. The underscore it will say single character. There should be anything. Coming to the percentage, it should be 0 to n character. Okay. Now
Yeah.
move on. The sorting and limiting result. Okay. So as we know that the sorting means we can sort the result into our requirement. Either we have an ascending order or descending order. And coming to the limiting result. So I have an like thousands or the millions of record. I want to limit the record, right? I want to need a only specific records or only the n number, n minus 1 records. So then we can, how we can do, we will see. Okay, let's Deepak that day asked how to clear this one. Clear screen function, we can clear. Select star from EMP. I missed it. Okay, so now if you see the salary, it is not in any order, right? Okay, it is a random order. Now you tell me select star from EMP. Okay, before that I want to say that okay, now I am sort. So I told already we need to very clear about syntax. Okay, here keyword, okay, keyword from table name, it is always coming n, order by, okay, AESC or this will automatically it will come order by and DESC. Okay, so it will come order by class, it will come end of our SQL query. Let's see now. Select star from EMP order by sub. Okay, I will return one more query. I want result answers from you. Select star from EMP. See order by sub. Okay, Suresh, what is the difference of in these two output?
First
That's
is by default it is giving ascending order. Okay,
exactly,
without
exactly.
specifying a thing.
Fantastic, Suresh. Fantastic. Yeah. Good catch. Good catch. So here by default, I need to mention specifically which order I want for descend. When I want descending order, then definitely I need to mention which order I want. But coming to the ascending order, no need to mention it by default in SQL. We will get that in ascending order. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now coming to, we are done sort. Now limiting records. Now syntax is same. We need to use end of power. Okay, SQL and just in the middle we can use where class and all. Okay, after filter we can use. Okay, don't like syntax means we no need to use the where and all. No, we can use, but this order and limiting will come at end. Okay, so now here instead of order by table name where row num. So row num equal to row num and condition. Okay, let's try. I will write a query and you guys will answer. So select star from EMP where Suresh, how many records are there in employee table, Suresh?
1, 2, 3, 6.
Sorry,
It's 14
14
rows are
records.
there. Okay.
14 rows are there. Okay. Where what I did now?
Okay, you retrieved only 3 records. Okay, how do you fetch? Okay, less than 3 means King, Jones, and Scotch. It has. How do it will number 3 means what criteria it looks? See, when you look
Okay,
for
there is a yeah. Okay, what happens? This will comes row num rank functions. It will come. Okay, Suresh, this is assignment for you. You have to make a note. Okay, today the rank function will Ravi sir will cover in further classes. Okay, so I will give more explanation about when comes to the rank functions. Okay, so now for your Suresh, are you noted my question?
yeah. Can you rank function? Na?
Yeah, rank function. You have to remember me. Could you please explain me rank function? So that time I will
Sure.
give more clarity and how row number it will work. Is it
Okay,
fine? Okay.
fine.
So
Okay.
now for your question, how it is done? It will consider as per the table structure result.
Yeah.
Okay, it will consider first one as the one and second one like that. Okay,
Okay.
it will
Number
think
of
like
records
this.
inserted. Okay.
Yeah. So see, sort based on sort and limiting or row number, we can it will come so many questions. Now,
Okay.
Suresh, my question, yeah, Suresh, any doubt, any question?
No, you carry.
Okay, I have a question for you now. So I already wrote SQL query where I want only first 3 records or first 4 records. Now I need okay last 2 records. Is it possible?
Last 3 records. Row number 3 order by descending. Can you do it in the time?
Yeah, go ahead, please.
Okay,
Select
select
star
star
from
from
EMP.
PMP where row
Mhm.
num less than 3.
No,
Okay.
order by
Order by okay. Okay, order by descending where row num.
no
Okay, when
syntax
we
error
can
it will
use no.
get. Syntax
Just
error we
you
will get.
yes.
Syntax
After
error we
order
will get
by
here.
after employee you write E. Okay. And
Yeah, tell me. Try. You try your best. Yeah,
select
you're doing good.
star
Yeah.
from EMP. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
where row num less than 3 order by descending.
Row num
Row num less than 3 order by descending. Order by we should give
nice.
something. No? Order by
Thank you. It's okay. Fine. Good
sal.
job. Good job. Okay, now let me do that. Select star from EMP. Order by descending EMP number. I think employee number, right? Select star from where row num Select star pre-MP order by. Okay.
Okay.
What happened?
Okay, so let's start from
Now,
descending. Okay, got it.
no. I will clear. Don't worry. Select start from EM. So if you see, okay. So James, Killer, Squad. These are all my last 3 records. Are you agree with me? Hello?
No. See, it's
Are you
by
agree with
default,
me?
it will be no. You should write a query select star from employee order by employee number
No.
descending.
I already wrote it and I got the result here.
Okay, clerk, analyst, clerk. These are the top 3, na? Bottom 3.
Sorry.
Yeah, continue. Okay.
Did you got it?
President, manager. Yeah, I got it now. Yes.
Okay. So it will come under subquery concepts. This is I will explain later part. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Let give me a sec. This is we did based on employee number. We are in a sorted order. Okay. Let's move. Let's move where we have. Okay. So now you got it right. Like how we
Yes.
can see the questions will come based on our logic only. Okay.
Yeah.
Even though using sort, so we have an ascending and descending order. Okay. So sort, we have here a row num coming to the SQL
Are you sharing?
SSMS. Sorry.
I could not. Your screen is not visible. Are you sharing
Yes.
anything?
No. Not just I'm explaining you what I'm saying.
Okay.
For Oracle, we have an row num concept. Okay. Coming to the SQL Server SSMS, we have an top records. Okay. Top concept.
Yeah.
Okay. So as I
Yes.
told, we have an different type of databases here. Okay. Different types of databases here. So different types of databases will just change the simple SQL something. Okay. Here we have, here we have simple row num. Coming to the SQL Server, we have a top. Okay. So other we have limit as well. Okay. Things will change. Okay. DB to D. See here SQL Server we have. Okay. SSMS we have on top, and Postgres and MySQL we have limit.
Yes.
Oracle row num. Is it clear? So yes, we are good with the ascending order, descending order, and limiting.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Let's move to the aggregate functions. Okay. So far, let me go to here. So far, what we did, just we have fetched the record. right? Did we aggregate it? No, right? So far, only we fetched the records. Did we get any count or any sum, any max? No, right? So
Yeah.
there is an aggregated functions. Using an aggregated functions, perform the calculation across multiple rows to return a single summary values. Okay. So aggregated function perform the calculations across the multiple rows to return a single summary values. So what are the main aggregate functions in SQL? We can use count, sum, average, minimum, and maximum. Is it clear? What is
Yeah.
the aggregate functions and
Mean.
what it will return? Okay, let's get into the practical. So my question now, let me clear the screen. Okay, select star from EMP. Okay, select star from EMP. Okay, so now we are now discussing on aggregate functions. Okay, we have count, we have minimum, maximum, average, and 5 we have sum, count, average, minimum, maximum. Let's see how it is working. So as definition indicate that it will gives the aggregated value, that should be summary values. Okay. Now my question is, I want how many employees are there in the table, right? So my question is, I want how many employees in the table.
Count star from employee.
Okay, so this will be useful in a normal life also. In everyday, if you go to the article, so the companies will say that this many employees is there in my company. For example, Infosys, they said this many employees are there. Go to the IBM, they will say this many employees are there. How in a background they will run this query. Here we are using employee, but in Infosys or IBM, they will use their own, they will create an employee some table using same query, just they will change the table name that it will give. So those that they can see in the BI report, but in a backend this is the count star query to get the count. Is it clear?
Yeah.
And one more question here. So why I have used a count star, and there is an one more. Okay. Suresh, what is the output?
It retrieve one first record, only one record.
Okay, let's see. Count, right? I asked a count.
Okay, it will only count only first row and give the result. Count of one.
Doesn't matter. So interviewer make you the confidence level. They will ask a question for you guys. What is the output for if you write a count star or count one? We may get confusion, no? So you should have to very clear. So it will give the count only. Okay, now okay. So now what is the count? I can get it here.
Okay, it will be 14.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Can you rethink? What is the column I passed here?
Okay, it's a commission. Okay. Okay, commission. Okay. Count star commission. Does it retrieve? Okay, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Nice. Exactly. This is I want. Yeah. Super, super. Good job. Good job, Suresh. Yeah, this is I want. So the count star total it will give, but count column name it will take the only non-null. Okay, not
Mm,
null count. Got it? Even
yeah,
interviewer may ask you. So we will get a confusion. So now you got it. What is the difference between count star, count one, and count column name?
yeah,
Okay.
got
Now, Suresh, you tell me instead of saying that count, you answer me. If I am a panelist, I'm asking for you the question. Can you explain me what is the difference between count star, count one, and count by column name, Suresh?
okay. Count star. Okay, it will check the count of all the columns,
Yeah, go ahead.
and the count one is the first column. It will only look for the employee name and count it and give the result.
Mm-hmm.
First column of the table. Okay, and the count
Mm-hmm.
commission. It's look for the commission table and count the records. Commission column.
Okay, small change. It
Mm,
is not like that. When I put a count star, it will take the all the column. Or if
mm.
I pass one as a parameter, it will take the count for one column. No, that is not the right answer. Both the
Okay.
case, it will take the all the columns and it will give the count. Is it clear?
Okay. Yeah, got it.
Coming to the count column name, it will only calculate the count for not null records.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, again, next question. I want, let now, I want whose employee getting maximum salary. I want the employee name who's getting the maximum salary. Now, let me, I want.
So let's start from employee.
Okay,
Okay.
I don't want
Okay.
to make
Max
it's
sal.
fine,
Okay.
fine.
Max
No, no,
sal.
no. That it will come under subquery. So I don't want to make it you guys to confusion. Let I wanted to know what is the maximum salary from the employee table. Okay.
Okay. Max sal. Select to max sal.
Super, super. Yeah. Select EMP 5,000. What about if it's coming to minimum salary of the employee? How much using min? What is the average? Okay. Might be we have used in these the calculation part in our Excel. It is taking more time compared to here, right? Are you guys agree with me? Suresh, Deepak, are you guys agree with me?
Yeah. Yeah. I got. I'm speaking in mute. Okay. Yeah. Fine.
Okay. Yeah, what I will do, what I'm saying, in daily life, if this we have a same record in the Excel sheet, we will anyway we there also we can perform these actions, but it will take more time, right? We need to when giving the max, we need to give the range of the shell. But here, how much?
Yes.
It is very quickly, right? So it is built-in functions. We already is there. Just we need to select and we need to pass the parameter which column average they are written already. Average function it is working. Just we need to pass which column average value we want. That's it, right?
Yes.
Count we done, maximum done, minimum done, average sum. Then we just sum. We left with the sum. Select star from select sum salary from employee. And Please guys, don't get even what they will do, right? In an interviewer, the aggregate function shall be used for a character column. What is your answer?
No, we cannot use.
Yeah, that should be. When we practical, only numeric value columns only we can use these aggregated functions. And again, same question. Suresh, can we use a between for a string column or
No,
varchar
we
column?
can. No, it is
Sorry?
applicable for only integer.
Exactly, exactly. Between also, it is only for numeric, not for, okay. What about like? Hello?
Yeah.
What about like?
Like it is applicable for string.
Yes, it is only applicable for string. Okay. Is it clear?
Yeah.
So we have done with the aggregation. Okay. Next, let me complete. We have the group by and having. Okay. So as name group by. Okay. So what we did here, now I'll let me. With the aggregate functions, what we did, just we got the single value or summarized value. Okay. So the group by, let it definition. The group by organize the rows into a summary groups, enabling the category level analysis. Okay. Okay. What it says, we can, okay, group by organize the rows into a summary groups, enabling the category level analysis. Okay, so let's go into the practical. You tell me what it did. Select count star from EMP, count star, comma, PT number from EMP. What happened, Suresh?
Okay, department 10, 3 employees.
What happened?
Yeah. Count
So
of each
name,
department.
yeah, name indicates that as a definition, it organized into a summary groups and enabling the category level analysis. So for summarized value, it will again making into a, okay, category level. So my department level, I am giving the count, I am getting the count now.
Yes.
Got it right?
Yeah, I
So
got it.
now this one, instead of, I can apply all aggregate function. What I want, maximum salary from department wise. Simple. Department number 10, maximum salary 5,000. Department 20, maximum salary 3,000. For department 30, 2,850. Minimum, just minimum you can change. So the group by, it will segregate. Syntax is, we need to, okay, the aggregate function followed by the column, whichever the group you gonna do, that we should have to mention. Is it clear? See,
Yeah.
if I'm not mentioning, yes, Suresh.
Okay.
Suresh, any question?
Can we include all the aggregate functions, min, max, count in one query?
Min, max in all
And
query.
aggregate.
Okay, let's try. Let's see. I want to, yeah. Let's try. We can do that. Maximum salary. Let's not. No, you want along with the group or without group?
Yeah, department 10, min max is what is that? 5,000 and minimum is 1,300. Can we get it that way?
Is it possible? Do you think?
Try. I'm thinking it should work.
Shall I?
Yeah.
Let it be. Let it be. Yeah, we can do that. Got it? Now we want to add average. We can do average. Okay, sometimes what they will do in a panelist, they will see your confidence. Simply making it confusing. Are you sure on that? Just he will check your confidence level. He's asking, are you sure? Are you gonna think it will work? So then when we have practically we did, then we will say, yes, we can do that. See how much easy it is, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So group by. Now let's go to what about having group by we done. What about having? See, okay. Now tell me where, okay, where, okay, MP, where pronoun less than or equal to 3 or one more condition. Just I want to make you guys understand where salary is less than 4,000. So using where class, what we are doing, just we are filtering the data. Am I correct?
Yes.
Using a where class, what we are doing here, up to here, I have a 14 records. If I run this query, how much records I will get? 14 records. But with the where, what I'm doing, just I'm restricting. So I'm filtering. So where we can filter in many ways. Here, just I'm filtering using a row num, and here I'm filtering using salary.
Ravi, can I? Okay. Let's see, I have
Yeah,
to
please
join
go.
another call. Can we continue tomorrow?
Yeah, sure, sure. Yeah, yeah. Okay, let's wind up. And so Suresh, can you drop your number in the Teams group?
Yeah, yeah, sure. Okay.
You can
Okay.
drop.
This
Okay.
assignment I cannot say. Okay. When I end up at first,
Sorry, come again.
Yeah. Okay. This is my number. Can you ping your number?
Yeah, I will. I will ping. Yeah, I will ping. Yeah,
Okay.
Suresh. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for
Okay.
calling
Thanks.
out. So will. Yeah, I wanted to make it understand having. So I will continue tomorrow. Thanks. Thanks,
Ah,
guys.
okay. Thanks.